Hello everyone, I'm Gina Rose Diaz, and today we're going to talk about the tools and steps for medical transcriptions. By the end of this video, you'll know the tools that a transcriber uses and how the whole process works. So let's start! The computer or laptop is like the main disk, where we can open the files, type everything, and save our work right there. Word processing software. This is just a program for typing like Word or Google Docs. We can start a blank page, type notes, and save the format. A good headset let us hear every word clearly. We need that clear sound to catch the doctor's voices without missing any information. The foot pedal is a game changer that let us control the audio without stopping to type. Press stop for play, heel to rewind, while keep your hands free on the keyboard. Medical dictionary or online references. Grab a medical dictionary. It could be a website or apps to double check tricky terms and its information. It also helps us to use the right spells and make sure that we get the right information and the right meaning. It let us look what the medicine looks like. Transcription software. This app plays the audio file and give us easy control, speed it up, rewind a bit that help us listen more better. This is transcription software looks like. The first one that looks like a triangle, it allow us to play. The second one is the square, we can stop. The third one is we can go to start. The fourth one is rewind, where we can go back. The last one is go to end. We can also adjust the volume or the speed. This is how the process works. First is to get the audio file from the doctor's voice recording, usually an audio file sent in medical transcription service or transcriptionist secure online portal. The second is to listen. Play it once to hear the voice, accent, talking speed, and anything that is medical words. The third one is to listen and type. Now we type what we hear, word for word, while looping the audio as needed. The fourth one is to fix it up. Let's go back through what we type to fix mistakes, check the spelling, grammar, spacing to make sure that it is clear. The last one is sending it off. Save the final version and upload it to secure the portal where only healthcare can access it. In conclusion, with the use of the right equipment and its process in doing transcriptions keeps medical records correctly, accurately, and safe for the patients. That's all. Thank you.